Could you hold up your instrument if it's a trombone? And could you point it at the camera and show them a few trombone things? And if you're playing a different instrument, hold that instrument up. Hooray! And this is called?
A trumpet.
A trumpet. Okay, so let's hear a little bit on those instruments. Let's just hear a long, low C. We'll all play it together after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What a brilliant sound. Now let's just hear one trombone and one trumpet. Wow, that's great. The trumpet was a bit louder, but it was also playing a different note to the trombone. And that's because the trombone is very long. So hold the trombone up horizontally, and can you hold the trumpet up horizontally next to it so we can see it just kind of about like that. You can see the trombone's loads bigger. And you can also see, what are these things called?
Vowels.
Vowels. And you change the note on the trombone by
sliding it, so this is
sliding it as well. And you both change the note as well using your lips as well. So I wonder if we could play a scale of C to everybody.
Oh, it's my favourite scale.
Should we try that one? Are you ready?
It's my
You
favourite.
ready, Lola? Nice and slow. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's really good. Well done. That's great. Loon, what do you like most about playing the trombone?
I like the most when we practice and stuff.
At school?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Tiffany?
I like when we practice because it helps us to get used to the instrument.
I like practicing at home because then I can get a voice.
And I like it when we all play together and we play a piece together, usually in front of other people. That's my favourite bit.